I think that we are all, of course, aware of the issue of the scarcity of vaccines worldwide, and I think that from the European Commission's perspective, clearly the reply lies in work towards ramping up production. This is something that the EU is also concentrated on doing in Europe, and we have always said that this, of course, will also contribute to global efforts. As regards to more specifically your question on COVAX, you know very well that member states have started to announce, their intention to share with COVAX. France has already shared actually with COVAX a first batch of vaccines. Also, you are aware that Spain has also announced that they will be sharing through COVAX between 5 and 10% of their doses that they will get throughout 2021, and they expect that this could be around 7.5 million doses, and you know that these would benefit Latin American countries and Caribbean countries, and also yesterday Sweden also announced that they would be sharing 1 million doses through COVAX. So indeed the European Union is also doing its part to help COVAX and our partners directly, worldwide to be able to access the vaccines. We have always said that, nobody will be safe until everybody is safe. And clearly we all need to, speed up safe and effective vaccination. And this is why also, as I just mentioned at the beginning, we think that ramping up production is the best solution that we have to try to achieve this common goal. Thank you. So indeed, these first vaccines that are arriving to the Western Balkans have been made possible thanks to the conclusion of agreements that have been facilitated by Austria to be able to secure a total of 651,000 doses for the Western Balkans. If you need the distribution for a country, I can of course give it to you. This has been very much based on epidemiological needs, prioritizing, of course, the healthcare workers and other priority groups. Commissioner has traveled to the region yesterday, Monday, in order to be able to discuss with the authorities, their response to the pandemic and also the EU support. I think that the vaccines have to be seen in the context of the continuation of the European Union support for our Western Balkan partners in order to be able to tackle the pandemic. You know that we put on the table a very substantial package of 3.3 billion euros for the Western Balkans to tackle the immediate needs, and also, of course, the longer term, mitigates the longer term effects of the pandemic, both in terms of employment and social protection. Yes, these should be seen as the first vaccines, that have been able to have been secured through the EU's advance purchase agreements. They're funded by the Commission through the 70 million package that we adopted in December 2020. And I think that the main message, Commissioner has given it in the region, because we care about this region. Their future lies in the European Union, and this is why we're working to support them as best as we can, of course, to deal with the pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. All right, are there other questions for us today on other issues?